Oh wow, look at that. That's a beast, mate, isn't it? Yeah, this is the best lance. This lance is so light, it's really lightweight. It's an absolutely fantastic bit of kit because you can wash with it all day long and you just don't get tired. I can use that one-handed all day. Right. Oh. Yeah. That's a great addition, that ball valve. I love that.
Yeah, well, this was originally sort of designed as a jetting machine.
Right.
You know, with high volume, so 15 litres a minute, because we do it in 15 litres, 21, and 25 litres. So that ball valve was on the original design, so I left that on.
It's a fantastic,
it's handy to have, you know. There's, you know, there's 3 lengths of hose that come with it as well, because this pump's got the return to tank system on it, on the unloader valve.
Brilliant.
So you've got a suction kit.
Yeah.
Yep. There's with an extension as well if you want to.
Yeah.
And then there's also the return to tank kit, so you can.
So when you're off the trigger,
yeah,
you've got water going through the pump continuously.
Yeah.
It's being fed in and it goes back to the tank because you're off the trigger and it keeps the pump nice and cool.
That's exactly it. Yeah.
That's brilliant. That's a great addition.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when I'm working on site, I'm working away and the agent will come over to me and he'll say bloody 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 blah, and all I'm thinking about is my pump's getting hot. And I'm going to think, I say, excuse me, I have to pull the trigger, and then I have to go back to the conversation.
Yeah.
But with that on, I could just forget about it, because I know the pump's kept cool.
Cool.
Happy days.
Big manual comes with it as well.
Big ruler manual.
Bedtime reading. Let's get this up. Right.
Right then, bud.
Alright, there's a bit of weight in this, so
she's a bit
on your back.
She's a big old girl.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Right. And there she is.
Wow.
Yeah, so big brass pump.
Yeah.
2-to-1 reduction gearbox.
Yeah.
And 15 horsepower petrol engine. And you've got the addition of the key start as well on these.
You've got the key start here. So you've got the battery.
Yeah, battery on the back. We still leave the pull cord on there.
Yeah.
So you've always got that as a backup anyway.
Which is really good.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, you know, your battery
things
goes
can happen,
flat.
can't they? So you've got that as your backup, but everyday use key start.
Yeah. And then on the pump.
Yeah. So there's your unloader valve.
Yeah.
And it's a big bugger, this pump as well.
Yeah, it is.
Big brass pump, stainless steel pistons, stainless steel valves. So 6 stainless steel valves in there, and you got stainless steel valve caps. So you know
you got the stainless steel where it needs to be.
Yeah.
Where it needs to be, and you got the brass on the outside.
Yeah. So and there's your new unloader valve.
Yeah.
So the way that this works is there's 3 holes in this unloader valve.
Yeah.
You got your water coming in.
Yes.
And you got your water going out.
Yes.
As normal. So that'll go out through your tail hose up to your hose reel.
Yeah.
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 You could just connect the hose straight
through,
if you wanted to. But there's your outlets. You got your water in, your water out, and when you let go of the trigger, it will bypass the water straight out and through the pipe and return
Fantastic.
to the tank.
So what happens is, so the pump sucks the water in from the tank, and when you're off the trigger, this valve here returns it back to the tank.
Yes.
So you got that constant cycle of water going through the pump.
Yeah.
So the pump's cool.
There's the lamps.
That's the chemical injector. So if you want to talk us through this, Jonathan.
Yeah. So what we've got is you've got a side handle that's designed just to screw on whichever side, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, onto the lance, and that'll move up and down as well, whatever's comfortable for you. You've also got, that comes with it, a hose lock screw thread. So that will, because there's a coupling already on here, but you can take that one off and put on your hose lock connector.
Yes.
So that's just your, you know, everybody's got a hose lock connector. The little pipe there is designed to go onto the bleed. Yeah, and if you look on the chassis there, Dave, there's 2 holes.
Oh, it goes through the hose.
Because you can just see, because you don't want it pissing
No,
out
you
all
don't.
over
Absolutely,
you know.
no.
So it's designed that it comes down and you just shove it through there, and if you do need to bleed any air out, because eventually the water will come out.
Yeah.
And then it's straight down just onto the floor
Love
out of the way. That one there is a connector, so you get two of these. So
Yeah.
that's basically for your suction kit. So
Yeah.
that screw thread,
Yeah.
when you get it, there's already a coupling on there. If you just have a look there, Dave, there's already a screw thread on
Yes, I
there.
see. Yeah.
Now you can remove that
Take it out.
and put that hose lock connector
Yeah,
on.
I
But
understand.
if you're sucking and you want to come off that kit,
Straight on.
that goes straight on. And on the other end, what you can do is you can put that adapter on if you need a bit more rope,
Right. Yeah, I've got you.
Right.
Yeah.
and connect the two of them
Oh
together.
wow, fantastic.
So it's just an extra. So there's 3
So
meters
you got an
there,
extension of the tank pull.
and there's 3 meters there.
Brilliant.
So you got 6 meters there. That other hose is the return hose that goes onto there.
Yeah. And that one's back to the tank.
That's back to the tank. Yeah.
So when it goes back to the tank, and it's not under pressure.
No.
It's
No,
just on
no,
there, and it's
that's
just
it.
coming
Yeah,
out.
Yeah, it's coming through a big hole. So
Lovely job.
Not under pressure. Jubilee clip. That one, I think, is for here. So you get a big.
Yeah, that is a nice filter.
Right. Now, it's there. You might not use it because sometimes instead of throwing over the top into a tank, what we'd always recommend is come off the bottom of the tank.
100%.
You know, it's easier for the machine.
It's
for the
gravity,
pump.
isn't it? It's
It's gravity. So you got the weight of the water.
You've got the water head.
Yeah.
And it's much
Pushing it
better.
out.
I agree.
It comes in the kit.
Yeah.
It's there if you want it.
Right.
But our advice would always be to come
Yeah.
off the
Connect
bottom.
up.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, it just goes under those lips, Dave, there. That's it, you're in. And just twist those knobs there and it'll just slot into place. That's it.
That's it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, solid there.
That would row really well on rough ground as well.
Yeah.